Hi guys. So, how to sell Lanas? Of course, we're talking only about registered Lanas, but there is a new service right now, and this service is here to really buy from your registered Lanas on a very simple way, but of course with a discount of 30%. The idea is that there is in our big interest that we help grow and develop the new economy of abundance, because otherwise our lanas are not going to grow anywhere in any time in the future. And if we are not ready to support that. So this is why 30% of the discount, because up to 20% the consumer gets, 10% is the fee of that service that is going to be organizing all this stuff. And yeah, this is it. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can very simple sell your Lanas into Lana discount and get cash out of it. So the system works like this. You will navigate yourself on modules. You will find Lana discount. And then you have here two possibilities. One is sell Lana, one are the transactions. So once you sell Lanas, you will have here all your sold Lanas, and when you are going to get paid, you don't get paid immediately. Sometimes you get, sometimes you don't get, because still Lana discount has to resell it. However, you don't need to think about it. You just sell once and you forget it. System is taking over and is making all this transaction, and you can trust, because it is the management of that is in our all interest. So nobody is going to take you anything, from you. So you can just relax and enjoy. And this service in the future is going to have our own credit cards. I mean, everything. Just amazing what we are building. But this is it for now. Okay, so how you are going to sell it? You're just going to navigate on Solana. Here's the process. So if you didn't pay these subscriptions, then you have to go first and pay the subscription, because if you don't have the rating at least 9, then that literally means first donate, first pay your obligations, and then sell the rest to the system. So in that case, if you are already having that rating that is above 9, then you can just simply select your wallet, like I'm right now and selecting mine. Then you select payout currency, so in what currency you would like to get paid. So if you are using, of course, euros, then select euros. And then insert the amount of Lana. Here you are going to get breakdown. So 100 Lana is altogether 3.2 euros. Commission is 30%, so you will get paid on your account 2.24 euros. Guys, if you didn't put inside your fiat bank account, you will need to do that, and I will going to show you how you are going to do that. So then you will put just your private key, and that's it. The system is done, the transaction is made, and you will now find here another 100 Lana that is pending. But before that, guys, it is very important. Otherwise, you will not get paid, because system cannot pay you. You have to navigate yourself on profile, and on your profile, you go on edit profile, and here below, you have to put payment method. So if you're working with euros, then of course you will select euro. If you're working with UK accounts, you will select UK bank account. If you're working with United States, you're going to put that. It is very important that these data are in place, otherwise you will not get transferred anything. Okay guys, this is it for now, and have beautiful